Welcome back to another session. So today we are going to discuss about what kind of questions will be generally asked for Aptiv, that is company, right? So Aptiv is a company. We know that it's an American-based company which is basically dealing with creation of displays for automobiles and IoT-based technology. So some kind of those things. It is, involved in those things, right? So it designs and manufactures vehicle components and provides electrical and electronic as well as active safety technology solutions to the global automotive and commercial vehicle markets. So if you just have a look at this Wikipedia, you can see here. So headquarters, Ireland, CEO. Okay, so then revenue, founded and subsidiaries. You can find a lot of things, and if you see Bangalore office here, you can see the address for the same. Okay, so now in this video our main motive is to see what kind of questions they will be generally asking, so that you can crack their assignment, or I can say the screening test easily. So I will be showing you the real questions which they have offered. Okay, so before that, if you are new to the channel, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel, because we will be uploading these type of videos continuously. So without further delay, let's start it. Okay, so now you can see this is the PDF which contains, and I will just leave the link for this PDF in the description so that you can download this one. Okay, so the first question: what is the output of following code snippet? Okay, so there are a lot of questions in this session, so I'll just read some, and you can just download this PDF and go through it. So what is the output of the following code snippet? So hash include stdio.h int main. So they have given this code, and the answer for this one you can see here, it's world. Okay, so character array of 10, its size, the array size is 10, and they have array defined it as world, and we need to print out that array. So return 0, then obviously it will be world. Okay, so next question, we'll just move ahead. What will the output of the following code here? So you can see int main again. This is the C language test guy. So void manipulate int and I equal to 5, j equal to 2. So manipulate I comma j. Then we need to print I and j. So next I is made as I star I and j is made as j star j. So we will be getting 5 comma 2 again. So answer will be the second option. And if you go to the third one, consider the following program: main okay, so star p equal to del p they have given, and I equal to 2. So if I by 2 is equal to 0, then p of I equal to n, else p of I minus 1 equal to I. So we need to print yes, p here. So we will be getting the answer as DENPHI. Okay, so the next thing is, what is the output of this code? So stdio.h a equal to 1 plus 2, b equal to 3 plus 4, c is a star b. So the output will be 11. You can just get easily. Then comment on the output of this code. Again, int I equal to 1, switch I. So case 1, printf if case a, and printf if default. So compile time error it will be throwing. And then point out error, so you can see I equal to 1 here, and print I plus plus, I mean if I is greater than 10. So here you will be getting no error. Then after the declaration, type definition, structure, and int height, double weight, and DAWRF. So the new data type, something like this I asked. And how many bytes are called for variable test pool defined below. So for this I don't know answer, what will be the answer for 11th one. So if anyone is knowing, then you can just comment below. It will be helpful for other guys as well. Okay, so please, if you know, you can just comment it below. Then for the variable definition given, what is true constant int star p? So the value of p can be modified. The answer for that one. And then find the output of the following program: static int c equal to 3 and printf percentage d c minus minus, and if c main. Okay, so we'll be getting 3 to 1 because we are decreasing from 3 to the first position and checking up to when it is less than or equal to 0. So what is the output of the following code? Okay, so next thing, I equal to 10, then if I equal to 3, print value is 3, else print value is 10. So obviously I is equal to 10 means it will be printing value is 3. Okay, so option A will be the right answer. And next thing, what is the output of the following code? Has include the header, then A equal to 0 and B equal to 5. So if A is equal to 5, print sum percentage D A comma 5. So here A is not equal to 5, so it will be printing sum is to 5. Okay, so then the next thing, right. What is the output of the following code? So type definition int banana, then unsigned banana I equal to 10, printf percentage D plus plus I. So it will throw an compile time error here. And then the next question, what is the output of the following code? So char I, char B of 5 and int C, so value while value is 1, and int D float E while value is 2, and after that value 1 that is x, value 2 is y, and we need to print size of x and size of y. So it is compiler dependent error. Okay, then the next thing, what is the output of the following code? So hash include, they have given again the header, so I equal to 50 and printf percentage D by n, that means so we need to print if I equal to 50, and if I is equal to 20, then we need to again print. So they have given all these both the conditions, but they have not defined I at all. It will linker error here. What is the output of following code again? So character for all p equal to hello, and print percentage C backslash n and star address star and star p. So it will print just h here. What is the output of following code? Again they are asking, so can just go to that one. Okay, so what is the output of following code? Just these type of questions only they will be asking. What is the output of this code? So they have asked maximum programs itself. So int main I equal to 65, k equal to 120, I equal to I to the power k, k equal to k, I to the power k, and I equal to I to the power k. Printf. Okay, no, I want to change this here. Okay, so percentage D, I comma k return 0. So we'll be getting 120 comma 65 here. Okay, so then right guys, so this is the set of questions, around 21 questions they have asked for the assignment, and you need to fill up these questions within an hour or half an hour they will be giving. So these are all the questions which generally asked in the Aptiv screening test. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, and the question which you have left, if you know the answer for that one, please don't forget to mention it in the comment box. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you in the next day, have a good day, thank you.